Are you wondering why this tree roots would hang down from a bridge all the way to a river? Turns out it's a wild chase for survival. When rainwater drips off the edge of the bridge, it doesn't just fall, it guides the roots. Roots sense the moisture. They follow every drop. Drip by drip, season after season, the roots stretch, twist, and grow, reaching lower and lower. They don't stop until they touch the river. Jackpot, a constant water source. Only the strongest roots make it, the longest, the most persistent. Because in nature, survival belongs to those who reach the water first.